I have always wondered what really sets religion apart from spirituality. I used to think they were just two sides of the same coin. But the more I explored, the more I realized they shape our thinking in very different ways. Have you ever questioned how your beliefs influence the way you see the world? Whether we follow religious teachings or embrace spirituality, these beliefs guides our choices, emotions, and even our mindset. For a very long time, I assumed religion and spirituality were just different approaches to the same truth. But the deeper I looked, the more I saw the contrast. Religion is structured. It gives traditions, rituals, and a shared belief system. Spirituality, on the other hand, is deeply personal, often without strict rules, focusing on self awareness and personal growth. Some find comfort in the structure of religion, while others prefer the freedom of spirituality. But no matter which path we take, both offer something essential, which is the meaning of life. One thing became clear to me: beliefs don't just sit in our minds, they actively shape our thoughts and decisions. If someone believes that everything happens for a reason, they might approach setbacks with acceptance. If someone believes they are in full control of their destiny, they might push harder to change their circumstances. Our beliefs influence how we process emotion, handle conflict, and navigate life's uncertainties. But do we ever stop to ask, are these beliefs helping us or holding us back? Science shows that belief, whether religious or spiritual, has a powerful effect on the brain. Studies suggest that practices like prayer and meditation can reduce stress and increase emotional resilience. Having a strong belief system, whether rooted in faith or personal spirituality, gives people a sense of stability. But there's another side. When beliefs become rigid, they can also limit us, making it harder to accept new perspectives or adapt to change. I started asking myself, are my beliefs empowering me or are they keeping me stuck? Some beliefs push us forward, while others hold us back. If we believe we are capable, we take action. If we believe we are limited, we hesitate. But here's the thing: beliefs aren't fixed, they evolve just like we do. The key is to recognize which one serves us and which one needs to be questioned. Here's something to think about. When was the last time you questioned your own beliefs? Do they bring you peace or stress? Do they help you stay open minded while giving you stability? Growth starts when we reflect not just on what we believe, but why we believe it. In the end, there's no single right way to believe. Whether we find meaning in religion, spirituality, or a mix of both, what truly matters is that our beliefs support us in becoming the best version of ourselves. When we understand our belief system, we don't just live, we live consciously. I would love to hear your thoughts. How have your beliefs influenced the way you think and make decisions? Let's talk in the comments.